just getting the gear ready because we're doing something different today. We're going scallop diving. So we've got the fins. Look at that. Look at those puppies. Oh yeah. We've got the Cooper's chewed out sock. Getting all the gear sorted. Look at it. Highly organised. Bag. 2 masks. I'm going to set up the underwater so we're ready to go. Do you get all the other socks in there? Look how well Cooper looks after his socks. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at this. Boys' obsession gave me some of this. Wet soup lube. pH balanced. Not bad. Bet you Coops has been using this lube. Hey Coops, what have you been doing with this lube? We've gone through a fair bit. Just launch it now. As you can see, the boys have got it done. Mitzi's going in. Well, Mitzi's not going in. They're going out here down off Dramana or Ryde or Port Phillip, wherever it is. And we're ready for action. Do you want me to drop you in or you're right? So you can see the water clarity is going to be pretty good. So it's been a while since I've been scallop diving, so yeah, it'd be good to go and have a crack. Panda's excited, look at him. He's fired up.
Better numb already.
I'll go and park this puppy. Uh-oh, here we go. Audie's friends are coming down. Alright, it's time to get dressed. You can see we've got all the gear prepped. Stu's excited. The support crew. Woo! Mahi, you excited? Woo! Jess doesn't care. Coops, got your lube. What are you going to do with that lube, Coops? Woo!
I'm going to use it so my wetsuit doesn't break.
Hey, don't chew me wetsuit! Oh, Jesus. Leave the wetsuit alone. Get out of it.
Hey.
Alright, so we're going out. Where are we going, Stu? That way. We're going to dive shallow. Panda's down in the tanks. He's cheating.
Spot X, see?
Oh, we're going to spot X, right there. So yeah, we'll go at the front and have a look. Go for a dive. Just on the edge of the channel up here somewhere. Stop chewing my suit, you silly bugger.
No.
Bloody dog. Yeah. And what we do is, if you don't find him, you keep moving, right, Stu?
Yeah.
And if we don't find him, we blame Panda.
Yeah. Always Panda's fault.
So yeah, so we'll move around, so we'll free dive it. So we're going to get ready to go. And keep you in the loop. I could even... Oh, I don't think you want to watch me get dressed, you. No. Free dives, everything we catch is worth more. But we're just waiting because Stu's going to put the flag up, and you've got to have a flag up, and he's going to run between us and obviously Panda's got his flag there as well. But because we'll be on the surface, he'll be sitting on us as well, and just monitor where we are and do that while we're doing it. And then Panda will be down for a good 45 minutes at least, so Stu will time it before he comes up. And beauty with conditions like this, as you can see for miles, so you'll get him real quick and easy. So All right, Keeps, how's that? First dive.
Awesome.
How good was it? Did it teach you well?
No. I self-taught.
How good was it when you started finding them and then going down
Started
and getting
saying-
killed once?
I got 4 at one point.
So you reckon they're good ones, Panda?
Yeah, no, it's
Look at
great.
that.
There's a few of them have started to spawn. There's a bit of water starting getting in the row, but
And what's that? That's because it's, you're saying it's colder?
no, I just think when they spawn, a bit of water goes in, makes them spit and crack when you boil them. Fry them.
Yeah.
But they're nice. Good sized mussels as well.
Heaps of them, eh? We started our Panda, went and dropped in deeper there at the tanks, and Coops I around this edge in the shallows here, and they're all the way through, aren't they? There's just thousands of them. And the key is when you're chasing these, is you'll get pockets of them. Like you'll find them, you'll go along, it'll be nothing. Like we were up there and we'd got a heap, then got nothing for a while, we're about to move. Said, oh, we'll go down a bit further, got down, bang, motherload. They're everywhere. Oh, look at the size of that. Holy moly. Look at the size of that. Yum. All right, Panda's going to show us now how to clean one.
I do them differently to Stu, so...
Yeah, you do it right. So you pop the lid off like that, and then you knock that little bit. What's that? The gutsy bit, or the gill, right? And then you take that and you rip that little bit off there. So you get basically, oh look at that.
So
That's
it's
beautiful.
cleaned.
Yep.
Stu leaves the gills on type thing and fixes
Throw the
it
gills
later.
away, I'd say.
Yeah.
And there's been a big eagle race from right out the back there before. So yeah, so you get them like that, and you got just got a little butter knife, pop the top off, throw that in, take that, that's the gills are gone, cut off that, which is the stomach and shit like that down there.
Digestive area.
Yep, and look at that, that is bloody, it is beautiful big, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's the great thing is that you're doing that, so that's going back down, feeding all the other fish and part of the system.
Shell reefs.
Yeah, and when we're diving, there's heaps of, you know, oysters and, well, when I was following the boat, there was lots of these coming down. It was actually raining at one stage. Like, they were everywhere. So, but this is the great thing. We shot a flatty, there's saw flatties down there, saw stingrays, banjos, all types of massive spider crab doing his thing.
Yeah, lots of leather jackets.
Yeah, jackets and stuff. And it's amazing how, like, it looks featureless, but it's absolutely full of life out there, you know. It's little bits, drops and little ledges, bits of cungy and weed and all types of things. Of course, a few toadfish around there. And you notice that while I'm doing this, I'm just sitting here and going crazy doing all the hard yards. That's it, Pen, only a couple more to go.
Yep.
Oh yeah, well, the boys are over there. You can see them coming up. We're watching here, you got to always watch.
Your spotter.
I'm
the
spotter.
divers.
That's it, I'm the spotter for the diver. That's what I'm good at. You know the best part? I'm gonna sneak past you there, Panda. This is it. Look at this. I brought my coffee. All right, I just want to show you. Look at this dog. Look at it. Your owner's jumped over the side. He's out there. Yeah, you won't have to worry about it too much. So Keith's been freediving, and Stu's got the freediver gear, and he's taking security air with him, like a whole tank. Well, we've just had a cracker session, and you know the best part was catching them, well, for me and Coops, freediving from all, you know, and doing it that way, and learning breath hold and everything, and probably got a, I don't know, probably 300 scallops there, I suppose, probably not quite 400, but your bag limit down here in Victoria is 400, so hopefully there's a few little tips and techniques there that we've shown you along the way that'll help you if you ever want to go and do it, and if you can, try freediving. Panda went out in the deep water, that's 12, 13 meters, which obviously a good free diver can get. And, you know, we did it into the shallows and end up finding better fish in there. So Yeah, it's bloody great. And I'll tell you what, it's fun way, and now we're going to cook up a bloody beautiful feed. So remember to like and subscribe and get on to some of those YouTubes, and of course give us some feedback if you want to hear more about it, and tell us more about what you want to see, because everyone wanted to get a filleting a gummy and filleting a flathead boneless, all those sort of things. So if you want more how to, tell us how to do it. But for now, put the boat on, so go fishing.